Okay, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, and A is equal to 3x plus 12, angle B is equal to 2x minus 32. Find angles C and D. Now what we say first is that quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. This is given to us. So in the second step we can say that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason? Interior angles are supplementary. Interior angles are supplementary because it's a parallelogram. Okay, therefore interior angles are supplementary. Is this clear? Interior angles are supplementary. Okay, now therefore 3x plus 12 plus 2x minus 32 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, is equal to 180 degrees. Is that clear? Right. Therefore, now we'll add 2x plus 3x gives me 5x plus 12 minus 32 gives me minus 20 is equal to 180 degrees. Correct. Therefore, 5x is equal to 180 plus 20. 180 plus 20 gives me 200. Therefore, x is equal to 200 upon 5, which is equal to 40 degrees. 200 upon 5, which is equal to 40 degrees. Is that clear? Now, angle A, therefore, is equal to 3x plus 12. So, what does that become equal to? 3 into 40. Okay, 3 into 40 plus 12. So, 120 plus 12, 120 plus 12 is equal to 100 and so 120 plus 12 is equal to 132 degrees. So, my angle A is equal to 132 degrees, correct? Now, therefore, angle B is equal to, we can also do 180 minus 132, or simply we can do it as 2x minus 32 to check my answer. 2x minus 32 to check my answer. So 2 into 40 is 80. 80 minus 32. 80 minus 32 is equal to 48. Okay, see, when we add it together also we get the same answer. So it's equal to 48. Is that clear? So we got my angle A and B. Angle A is this and angle B is 48. Now how do I find C and D? Correct. So you will say in the third step, angle B is equal to angle D and angle A is equal to angle C. What is the reason? Opposite, okay, opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Therefore, angle C is equal to, we got A as 132, so C is also equal to 132, and therefore, okay, angle D is equal to 48, right? This is my result. Is that clear? So this sum is also very clear and it is understood. Okay. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram The perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 150 centimeters. Perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 150 centimeters. Okay. Now they are saying that it's very important that one of the sides is greater than the other by 25 centimeters. So if AB is equal to x centimeter, then BC is greater by 25. So BC is equal to x plus 25 centimeter. Correct? Now, what are we to find? We have to find the length of all the sides. We have to find the length of all the sides. So we have to find the lengths of all sides. Length of all sides. Okay. Now, my first statement in the solution will be quadrilateral A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Correct? Is a parallelogram. Now, because it is a parallelogram, I can say AB equal to DC, opposite sides. AB equal to DC, and I can say that BC is equal to AD. What is the reason? Opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. Correct? Third statement. Now, what is perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD? If you remember, you can say 2 AB plus BC, okay, twice AB plus BC. Or if you cannot, you simply write AB plus BC plus DC plus AD, adding all the sides, okay. So therefore, what is perimeter of ABCD? Perimeter of ABCD is 150. 150 is equal to, how much is your AB? X. How much is your BC? X plus 25. Okay. DC is again equal to X, and AD is equal to X plus 25. So therefore, X plus X plus X plus X is 4X. 25 plus 25 is 50. I'll say is equal to 150. Is equal to 150. Therefore, 4x is equal to 150 minus 50, which is 100. So, x is equal to 100 upon 4, which is equal to 25 centimeter. X is equal to 25 centimeter, right? So, we can say that how much is AB? So I can say that AB is equal to, so I can say that AB is equal to DC is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay. I can also say that BC is equal to AD is equal to X plus 25. So that becomes 25 plus 25. How much is that? 50 centimeter. So this is 25 centimeter and this is 50 centimeter. Is this clear? Are both these clear? 25 and 50 centimeter. Okay. Now see the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Right? Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Right? Now they are saying that the ratio of the adjacent angles Okay, they are saying that, let's start with this quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. They are saying that the ratio of the adjacent angles are A and B. So A ratio B is equal to 1 is to 2, correct? 1 is to 2. Now what have we to find out? We have to find out the measures of all the angles. To find measures of all angles of the parallelogram. Measure of all the angles of a parallelogram. So once again I say, I always start with ABCD is a parallelogram. Now here I must say that let, how we say in algebra, so let the common multiple be x, correct? So therefore A is equal to 1x and B is equal to 2x. B is equal to 2x. So A and B is 1x and 2x, right? So second question, A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, we must say adjacent angles, not interior, we have to say adjacent angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are congruent. I am rubbing it because it is availability of space. You have to write it up. Therefore, 1x plus 2x is equal to 180. Therefore, 3x is equal to 180. Therefore, x is equal to 180 upon 3, which is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, angle A is equal to 1x, which is equal to 60 degrees. Angle B is equal to 2x, which is equal to 2 into 60, which is equal to 120 degrees, correct? So we found out AB. Now how do we find out C and D? Very nice. Okay, so we will say in the fourth statement, angle A is equal to angle C, okay, and angle B is equal to angle D. What is the reason? The reason is that the opposite angles are congruent. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Therefore, angle C is also equal to 60 degrees and angle D is B. So B is how much? 120. Is that clear? So we got the four angles of the triangle. So A, B, C, D together. A is 60, okay. B is 120, C and D are, okay, respective. Got it? Quadrilateral ABCD is a, no, this is given to me that AO is 5, okay, and BO is 12, okay, and AB is equal to 13. Now we have to prove that quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Now in a rhombus, what is the property that is special about a rhombus as compared to a parallelogram? The property is that the diagonals, they bisect each other at right angles. So we have to prove that angle AOB is 90 degrees. That's what we have to prove. We have to show that AOB is equal to 90 degrees. So how do we do that? So see here. So we will say, now we won't say solution, we will say proof. Okay, because this is a proof, right? Now, AB is equal to 13. AB is equal to 13. Okay. Therefore, AB square is equal to 13 square, which is equal to 169. 169. Okay, 169. So, which is equal to 169. AB square is equal to 169. Now, the second step I can say is that AO square plus BO square, right? AO square is equal to 5 square, BO square is equal to 12 square. So 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144. So together I get 169, correct? Therefore, I can say that AB square is equal to AO square plus BO square, correct? When you see this, AB square is 169, this together is also equal to 169. So they are equal, correct? So fourth statement, I can say, therefore, angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees, because this is, okay, this is because of Pythagoras theorem. If you remember Pythagoras theorem, right? Pythagoras theorem says that in a right angle triangle, if it's my right angle triangle, okay, I can say that AB square is equal to AO square plus BO square. I can say this. Therefore, I can say that quadrilateral A, B, C, D is a rhombus, right? Since diagonals bisect at right angles. Since diagonals bisect at right angles. Since diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Therefore, it is a rhombus. Is that clear? Is that clear? Now, see the next sum, right? Very nice sum, very easy sum. It is given to us that quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay, it is a parallelogram. And quadrilateral ABCD is also a parallelogram. Now, this angle P is given to us as 110 degrees. To find measures of all the angles of ABCR. Now, see there, see my solution. What is my first step? My first step is, I will say that quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay, this is given to me that it is a parallelogram. So if you want, you can write given. If you don't want to write, that is also okay. Given, correct? Therefore, angle P is equal to angle R is equal to 110 degrees. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent, correct? Therefore, I got that this angle R is equal to 110. Now, second one, quadrilateral A, B, C, R is a parallelogram. Okay, this is given to me, correct? So, therefore, angle R is equal to angle B. Okay, this angle B, correct? Which is equal to 110. What is the reason? The reason is opposite angles, so same as above, right? that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Therefore, R is equal to B is equal to 110 degrees. Now, in the third step, I can say that angle A plus angle R in this parallelogram, A plus R is equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason? Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Therefore, angle A plus 110 is equal to 180. Okay. Therefore, angle A is equal to 70 degrees. Correct. Now, the same way we can say that after this we can continue in the fourth step. We can say angle A is equal to angle A, you see the diagram, is equal to angle C. What is the reason? Opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Therefore, angle C is also equal to 70 degrees. Correct? So, we found in quadrilateral A, ABCR, if you can see the diagram very clearly, in quadrilateral ABCR, okay, angle A is equal to 70 degrees, angle B is equal to 110 degrees, angle C is equal to 70 degrees, and angle R is equal to 110 degrees. Okay, this is my result. Is that clear?